That we could contribute with a Dutch production made by a very famous filmmaker in the Netherlands.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is 10th Women International Festival Film Festival Islamabad 2026, 14th February to 15th February at Silk Road Cultural Centre, Islamabad. And near to Sir Syed Hall, this event is going on today and Sunday.
Miss Aisha, you are the director of this film, and how's you find this event, and what is your journey?
It's a wonderful event, and I started my career from 2016 as an actress, but in 2018 I attended my first Women International Film Festival, and that was my inspiration to make my own film. And thank you WIF to feature my film.
Okay, amazing. And in future, you go to the Lollywood or other sides?
You know, it's an international media, so I would like to represent my things on international level. That will be more good.
Like Hollywood and other.
Yeah, like Hollywood and others. Dreams are big. The sky's the limit.
I'm Seema Farid, and this is my film Asmarai, which was screened today. It was the first opening film in WIF 2026. My journey started in 2017. It was my first short film, which was also screened in International Women Film Festival, and since then I've been making short films. This specific short film, Asmarai, it's a Pashto word which means lioness. It's about the relationship of a mother and a daughter, and it's based on reality. It's basically about the relationship between them.
And which is the artist in this film?
So basically, we have the child actress is basically my own daughter who played the lead role, and we have 2-3 kids. So one of them was my own daughter, my niece, and we have a very talented actress, Maria.
In future, would you like to go to the Lollywood or in international?
I'm very happy making my own social. I would like to remain an indie filmmaker.
No,
working on social issues.
No social issue, but you can
I would
make
like to go, international, of course.
international, just like Hollywood and others. Okay, and from where you are belonging to the India?
I belong to KPK, but I reside in Islamabad, from Peshawar.
Okay. Your village is
Sorry?
village
Village.
from
Nushaira.
Nushaira. Okay, thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Zalanda and I was in the short film Asmarai. It was my third short film, and the first time I was in a short film when I was 1 year old, and I was the lead child actress.
How was your experience working in this film? Like, how
It was fun, I enjoyed it. The environment was pleasant.
And do you remember acting in it? How was your first time acting in a film? How
I don't remember. I was 1 year old, so I don't remember.
And now how you old?
Right now I'm 12.
And your education?
I'm in 6th grade.
Thank you. Mr. Jawad Sharif, would you tell me how is your journey and which kind of films you make?
So my name is Jawad Sharif. I'm a filmmaker from Pakistan, and most of my films are social impact films. I work both in fiction and non-fiction. One of my recent films is called Moklani. It is about indigenous community living at a freshwater lake in Pakistan.
The social problems in belonging to the Pakistan or in whole of the world?
My films are social impact films, and when we say social impact, it's about social issues specifically in Pakistan, about our communities. It's more about identity, it's about climate. So there are like diverse topics which I work on.
But there are very big problem justice. So can you make any kind of films in which show the justice?
When we talk about social impact film, so social justice is one of the core things. and I have made a couple of films about social justice, about the law situation, and specifically when we talk about the marginalized communities who are facing some kind of discrimination, how law can protect them. But unfortunately, there are times when some serious issues of human rights occur.
Fahim Azam, would you tell us about your journey and this event and which kind of film you made?
So it's been about 20 years. I've been active with theatre and filmmaking. Filmmaking के साथ recently मेरा ताल्लुक रहा है, which is past about 8-9 years. मेरा ज़्यादातर काम short films के साथ जब रहा तो subject of women was something that was very close to my heart, and we made a few like Mustafa Sain, Jack and stuff. और women filmmakers is something that is always मुझे कहता है ना खुशी होती है देख के कि क्रिएटिव फील्ड में जहाँ बहुत सारी रुकावटें हर इंसान के लिए हैं, वहाँ ख़वातीन के लिए ज़्यादा है, लेकिन टू सी सम ऑफ देम रियली मेकिंग इट गुड एंड बिग इज़ फैंटास्टिक, बहुत अच्छा लगता है।
तो
और आज ये देख के स्पेशली अच्छा लगता है।
और फ्यूचर में अगर आपको कोई इरादा है लॉलीवुड की तरफ जाने की, पाकिस्तानी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री है इतनी, तो उसमें कोई अपना रोल अदा करने के लिए?
I worked on a film called Pareha Club. मैं उसमें एक्टिंग कोच रहा और पूरी टीम के साथ उस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट का हिस्सा बना रहा। बहुत खुशी हुई, बहुत मज़ा आया। एंड इरादा यही है कि जब निशात सानिया होगी दोबारा फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की, तो हम भी उसमें बिल्कुल अपना हिस्सा देना चाहेंगे। I'd like to make,
तो पड़ोसी मुल्क के इंडस्ट्री को ज़्यादातर जैसे आर्टिस्ट जो है वो उधर भी जाना पसंद करते हैं या हॉलीवुड की तरफ, तो आप किसको प्रेफर करेंगे उनमें?
देखिए हमारा देसी जो कल्चर है, ट्रेडिशन है ऑफ स्टोरी टेलिंग, वो बहुत ज़बरदस्त भी है और वो वैसे से बड़ा कटके है, बड़ा अलग अंदाज़ है उसका कहानी सुनने का और कहानी सुनाने का। तो मेरी तबीयत देसी है काफ़ी। मैं उसको पड़ोसी मुल्क के साथ जोड़ूँ, पाकिस्तान के साथ जोड़ूँ, बांग्लादेश, नेपाल वगैरह, ये हमारी कहानी सुनाने का अंदाज़ और हमारा सुनने का अंदाज़ बड़ा मीठा और बड़ा जिसे कहता है ना रूहानी, उसके अंदर एक पहलू जो है वो अटैच रहता है। सो वो मैं उसको ज़्यादा टैप करना चाहूँगा।
You come here for the film festival, so how do you find this event?
It's a very good event. Like it should been like this from a very long time. There should have been more events like this. It's such an impactful event for women and for the awareness of how women can do better in this society other than being household. So I love it.
Oh, you love it, but there are social issues and their filmmaking. It is the international level or just at the national level?
I guess I can say it's somehow international level, more national level, but somehow somewhere international level too. But more in our society and national.
How do you find this event and the film, Pakistani films in social issue and other issues, their level just like Bollywood and Hollywood? Do you think this is the level of this film like them?
Okay, I have visited the WIF festival and I'm very enjoying right now. It's a very good event, and I think these kind of events should happen in in Pakistan, in most other cities, so that people should come and they should watch and they should know that how our Pakistani film directors are working very hard, especially the women directors, and yeah, it's good.
Oh, thank you very much. Ms. Arswell, you are here volunteer and your own production. What is the name of your production?
It's called Kalakar Production.
And how do you find this event?
Basically, I know Neha and one of my friends works here. So I signed into this. They have this volunteer sign-in program. So I participated in that. I applied through that and I got selected. That's why.
Okay, so your production name?
It's called Kalakar Production. It's a Urdu Hindi word for performer. Kalakar Production.
And which kind of movies you made?
Basically, I am a writer, screenplay writer, and I write screenplays, I write scripts, I write commercials. So basically, I wanted to make my film, but additionally, we can't find proper people to pitch our
Okay, okay, okay.
scripts too. So I decided to make a production company, and I'm a visual communication designer as well. So I decided that why don't I make my own films? I founded it.
Where is your production house?
It's in E11. I founded it. There's 1 year.
Okay, okay.
1 year old, and I am trying to build it. Initially, I am doing the pre-production thing. I have written certain scripts, I've written certain commercials, I'm trying to pitch it to the client, and I also have organized this event called Kalakaron Ki Network.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hired for the networking, and I have organized a couple of more workshops, like origami workshop, and I'm just trying to build community first and do the branding and marketing, and I'm also doing the pre-production, writing scripts.
Do you perform the role of as an actresses in any your film and other films?
I haven't made my films yet. I have written all of them. But I did theatre. When I was growing up, I was a theatre actress. I have given auditions, but I just feel more into directing rather than in acting. But I have the spirit of acting.
Ms. Zuri, will you tell me that the Dear Abu and the base of Dear Abu, you inspired to your father, or this is just kind of film?
Dear Abu is a true story. It's my story. It started with when I started writing letters to my dad, who passed away when I was really young. And for a very long time, I didn't really face my grief, but those letters really helped me out. So the story that you see in the film today, that is what was inspired by the letters that I wrote to him. And then I wrote the screenplay and was able to communicate through cinema what I went through when I was doing my
This festival belonging to the Women Film Festival, but you are the most important director for the men. You support the men and you introduce the Dear Abu. Why?
Well, it's just when you're dealing with your parents, you don't think about gender or anything like that. For me, my father was everything. He was my, mentor. He taught me everything that I know today. It's his teachings that I am here where I am. So to me, when I think about my father, I don't think about the gender. I think about the man who...
Are you Australian Pakistani?
Yes, I am Australian.
So your journey, how do you start acting, and are you your past belonging to the actresses or not?
So for Dear Abu, it was very important that I come in front of the camera, because throughout the process of the film, I also healed the 1.5 years that we spent making that film. It really helped me to face my grief as well. I love making movies. It's been...
But not actresses?
No, I'm more interested in the direction that I do. I love being behind the camera. But for this particular project, because it was my story, so it just made sense to be in front of the camera.
Thank you very much. Robert Sigat, how do you see this event?
No, it's a wonderful event. Very happy that we could contribute with the Dutch production made by a very famous filmmaker in the Netherlands. Kamminga, she is Kamminga, and it's a real pleasure to be here. Also to see some of the other productions, all made by women, with a specific lens that show you a reality that is slightly different from the pictures you normally see when filmmaking is dominated by really interesting.
The level,
compliment to the organizers who celebrate the 10th anniversary.
The level of this film, just like a Netherlands or Hollywood films. Do you see? What do you see?
No, I think the quality of the films is quite different. Luckily, because it makes it much more interesting experience than just looking at the standard average taste produced by Hollywood.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.